Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another delicious recipe, Caribbean sorrel drink, no alcohol. A recap of my previous video. So guys, without any further ado, I'd like to wish everyone a happy new year and all that good stuff. So when it comes to making sorrel drinks, even from the Caribbean, sorrel drinks usually a holiday or seasonal treat, especially Christmas, Thanksgiving, and also New Year. So guys, to accomplish this delicious recipe, here are the ingredients needed. For my previous video, cooked dry sorrel and also my strawberry. As you notice, it's pretty much soft. Next, for easy fermentation process, 5 strawberry chopped into small pieces, white sugar, clove spice, and also cinnamon stick. Next guys, in a large bowl, I'm just going to go right ahead and add my dry ingredients and also my chopped strawberry and just give it a good mix. Next, I'm going to go right ahead and add my cooked sorrel and strawberry and also give it a good mix as well. So after fully mixed, you want to go ahead and apply some water and you want to cover it and set it aside at room temperature for 3 days. So guys, at this point all of my ingredients has been added and also covered. Next, I'm going to return in 3 days time. So in 3 days our ingredients should fully brewed and ready to be cooked. So guys, today makes day 3 of my last recap. So let's take a look and see where we are. As you notice, majority of the water has been absorbed by my dry sorrel and also my strawberry. Next, I'm just going to go right ahead and give them a quick stir and see where we are. Perfect. Next guys, in a pot of boiling water, I'm just going to go ahead and add some almond essence. Cinnamon stick, and just give it a good stir. Next guys, I'm going to go right ahead and add my fermented sorrel mixture. And I'm going to allow them to cook for 20 minutes. So guys, it's been around 20 minutes. I'm gonna go right ahead now and just give it a quick stir and also a quick strain. So guys, as mentioned, to add an extra kick to this recipe, I'm just going to go right ahead and add a few pieces of chopped ginger, which you can easily remove at some point. So guys, at this point we are all done. I'm just going to go right ahead and add this to a jar and I'll be right back. So here we are guys, my finished drinks. Caribbean sorrel drink, no alcohol, fermented version. If you find the video interesting, kindly subscribe, like, and also share. As always, thank you for watching. Until next time.